All right, guys. Next break we're doing is 2017 Hit Parade Baseball Series 1. There are 10 hits in here altogether, and then you've got some case hits that you can pull of guys like Mike Trout, Chris Bryant, Clayton Kershaw. There's some huge case hits that you can pull. Hank Aaron, I think, is in this. So let's see if we can get one of those out of this. So here is the rundown. We got Arturo with the Astros, the Marlins, the Yankees, the Padres, and the Rays. Ben S., what's up, man? You've got the Orioles, the Red Sox, the White Sox, the Reds, the Indians, the Tigers, the Royals, the Twins, the A's, the Phillies, the Giants, the Cardinals, and the Rangers. Brian G. with the Nationals. Cars, you've got the Cubs. Chris D., what's going on, man? You've got the Mariners. David H. with the Dodgers. Jay, you've got the Atlanta Braves. Jesse K. with the Angels. Larry with the Diamondbacks. Richard D. with the Rockies. And then Sean H., you've got the Brewers, Mets, Pirates, and the Jays. Sean, do you have both of those teams in Strata? You had the Padres. The Twins was Nick. Ross is the only player in there for the Padres. I knew they didn't have a big checklist. Did we case set out of here? We did not. We did get a case set out of 60 tops. If you missed it last week, pulled a nice Willie Mays. All right, so as I mentioned, 10 hits in here altogether. So first up, we've got Nicky Delmonico. Does not want to focus. So there is no numbering on that. Nicky Delmonico. Let's see who that guy is. All right, so he was drafted by Baltimore, bounced around Milwaukee, Chicago White Sox. Has no major league time, so it's going to be the team that drafted him. So that's going to be Baltimore. Baltimore getting that hit. All right, then you got Curtis Granderson for the Tigers. Nice relic there. Yeah, Nick, hang on just a second. Yes, nice low number on that one. All right, then next up, we got Brandon Webb. Relic with a little pinstripe there for the Diamondbacks. You got it, man. Then we got Grady Sizemore for the Indians. Sweet Swatch memorabilia. Dude, then we got a nice one. I like this. Nice little Pedro Martinez with a bat in his hand. Game used bat from Bowman Heritage. It's a cool looking card. All right, then we got a Barry Zito for the Oakland A's. That's actually numbered 71 out of 109. All right, a couple inserts here. We got a Fujikawa Topps Chrome rookie for the Cubs. Got a Roberto Clemente insert for Diamond Kings, going to Pittsburgh. We got a Ken Griffey Jr., Allen and Ginter for the Mariners. All right, then the autos. We got Ben Grieve going to Oakland, on-card auto. And we've got a Yimi Garcia, another on-card auto, Bowman Platinum, going to the Dodgers. Hit a Vizquel, huh? I think we've pulled him. We've pulled him before in Strata. All right, then we've got a Mike Parisi. Incredible sticker auto there for the Cardinals. All right, and then the last hit of the break, we've got a Glenn Perkins. Upper Deck Masterpieces. Nice little canvas card there. Going to the Twins. All right, and that's going to do it for Hit Parade Series 1. So that is the last box we've got of this. They haven't come out with Series 2, but we'll be on the lookout for that. And if we see any more of those, we'll definitely jump on that and try to hit some of those case hits that they have in these. So appreciate you guys joining us. Everything will get mailed out tomorrow.